Okay, guys, let's dive right into VIP Membership Pro, created by none other than yours truly, Graham David Holroyd. Now, I created this with the sole purpose of literally helping people create an online income using membership sites. So the secrets really are revealed on basically how the top affiliates are making such crazy amounts of money, like $100,000 per year. I know many online marketers that are doing that every single month with membership sites. And here's what you're actually going to discover inside of VIP Membership Pro. So you're actually going to discover the secret strategy that is used to actually create the membership site. You're going to determine your market criteria, the 5 best models for a better, faster, and easier membership site, how to crunch the numbers to get your desired income. There's 12 ideas in here for your monthly deliverables. I'm going to teach you how to manage your membership site. I'm going to show you step-by-step training on how to physically create the membership site, how to maximize your membership's profitability. There's 5 secret ways to keep your members active and satisfied. That's very important. And there's 5 tricks on how to get new paying members fast. All this is inside of this 10-lesson course or blueprint, however you want to say it. And so all you've got to simply do is click the link that's going to be in this the description to this video, and you'll be taken to this page. But just make sure you listen to this video first, because I'm going to show you some cool bonuses that you actually get when you pick up VIP Membership Pro today. And you can watch the video on here. I've put together a nice little video that explains everything in just that little bit more detail. And you can literally get started with VIP Membership Pro for $17. But here's why you should have your own membership site, because having your own membership site will enable you to get complete financial freedom, have passive, or should I say, have the passive income source, convert your dreams into a reality, enjoy all material comforts, face no external pressure, and live a stress-free life, because many of us marketers have been living this stress-free life for a long time. So proudly introducing VIP Membership Pro. Again, it's a 10-lesson course in an easy-to-read PDF format. Lesson 1, lesson 2, all the way to lesson 10. And getting started is so simple. You literally just grab access to VIP Membership Pro by clicking any of the buttons that you see on this page. But obviously make sure you click the link in the description so you can come to this page to click the next link. Literally just follow every lesson step by step and start building your own profitable membership site. And it doesn't take long to set up. And you might be thinking, okay, Graham, well, that's great, but what do I even create a membership site in? What are the niches? There's thousands of niches. And here are just a few on here, just to name a couple. You've got books, baby, pizza, weight loss, candles, boats, networking, affiliate marketing, live training, driving, building, recipes. I could go on. I could go on and on and on. I really could. And again, it's just $17 for this 10-lesson course, which I should have charged, and the regular price is $147. I could have easily charged that. And I know people would buy. So yes, I am kind of crazy for doing this at $17. But not only that, I want to give action takers some bonuses. And if you're an action taker and you pick this up today, because this is only available for the first 500 people, okay? And that's not scarcity. Once 500 people have got access, I'm getting rid of these bonuses. So you've got bonus 1, which is the Viral Banners ebook, which is a step-by-step method on how you can get your link in front of thousands of potential buyers across thousands of websites, literally in minutes. This is a I've put this down as a $47 value. It's probably worth a lot more. But just think about that one bonus for a second, okay? You get access to VIP Membership Pro and you start creating your own membership site. Just think how incredible this one bonus is going to be for you to start driving traffic to your membership site. Bonus number 2 is the secret 6-figure system ebook. Now, this is an ultimate step-by-step blueprint to creating your very own 6-figure system. And I've valued this at $97. Bonus number 3, the secret email swipes. Pay close attention here because you're going to get 20 high converting email swipes for promoting your own membership site. Okay, so once you've got access to VIP Membership Pro, you start creating your own membership site. I'm giving you 20 high converting emails that you can use for your own membership site. How awesome is that? And that's again, I've put this down as a $147 value. It's probably worth a little bit more. Bonus number 4 is the 10K per month affiliate cheat sheet. Kind of standard step-by-step cheat sheet on how to create a 10K per month affiliate business. Again, I've put this down as a $97 value. It's worth more. It really is. I've undervalued these. And bonus number 5 is the ultimate traffic package. Now, this is truly the ultimate traffic package because it contains 13 high-quality evergreen audio files that will teach you how to drive traffic just like the professionals. So there's over 10 hours of pure value, okay? It will take you a while to get through them, but I honest to God, they are brilliant, and you're going to love every single one of them. And that's exactly what you want out of these bonuses. You want to be able to drive traffic to your own membership site. So not only am I going to teach you in VIP Membership Pro the setup and everything of creating your own membership site that does $100,000 per year, but you're going to get the email swipes as a bonus, and you're going to learn how to drive traffic to it. How incredible is that? And again, it's literally $17. Insane. Now, I know what some of you may be thinking. Okay, Graham, that's awesome. You're going to teach us all this wonderful stuff. But what do I even put in a membership site? I fully appreciate where you're coming from. So these are optional. This is entirely up to you. But once you've purchased VIP Membership Pro through the link that's in the description, you will be taken to what we call an OTO page, which is a one-time offer page. And here's what I'm going to be offering in these upsells. And again, they're completely optional. It's entirely up to you. But if you need help with what to physically put into your membership site, this could help. So OTO 1, so the one-time offer, number 1 is 200,000 articles, not 2,000, 200,000 articles in multiple niches. So we've got the work from home, the health industry, the crypto industry, the baby industry. I'll be honest, there's that many. You've got literally content for years, okay? And all you have to simply do is, when you've created your own membership site, is just upload a few articles every single day. That's it. So you put in the work now to create your membership site, and then you literally spend 20 minutes a day just uploading a new article to your membership site whilst promoting. How awesome is that? Number 2 is 1,000 audios. Now, these audios are around an hour per audio. So on average, there's around 1,000 hours worth of audio, all on the Make Money Online industry. And again, all you would simply have to do if you purchase that upgrade is grab one of the audios and just upload a new audio to your membership site once a day. And you've got access to what that's close to 3 years worth of content for your membership site. OTO 3, 700 plus high converting email swipes, again, all in the Make Money Online industry. And you can do whatever you want with these. You can add them into your own membership site. You can use them to promote your membership site. Do whatever you want with them. Use them for other products. If you're an affiliate marketer and you're promoting other products, use them to sell them products. OTO 4 is 3,000 ebooks. And these ebooks are all in different niches. So again, you've got affiliate marketing, network marketing, multi-level marketing, the health industry, crypto, etc., etc. And again, all you would simply have to do is grab one of these ebooks, upload a brand new ebook every single day to your membership site, or sell the ebook separately, make money that way. It's entirely up to you. If you purchase that upgrade, then 3,000 ebooks are yours. And OTO 5, which is 180 video courses. Let me rephrase, 180 video courses. That's not to say there's 180 videos. No. It's 180 video courses in multiple niches. And with a lot of these, you're getting videos inside, you're getting ebooks, you're getting swipes. There's all sorts inside of these courses, so you definitely want to check that out. Excuse me. And last but not least is 100% commissions across this entire thing. I've kind of lost my mind when I added this one, but people are getting it because, and the reason people are purchasing this one, along with everything else, to be fair, is because they understand, just like you will understand, how important it is to be making money online, and making 100% of it is incredible. So if somebody came in and let's say, for instance, you purchased that and you request to be an affiliate and you have 100% commissions, that's not just 100% commissions on, let me show you this image here, because I'm currently offering 50% commissions to anyone for who wants to be an affiliate. But if you purchase the upgrade, then you get 100% across this entire thing. So we've already mentioned 200,000 articles. If somebody purchases that at $27, guess what? Because you've got that 100% commissions, that money's yours. I don't see any of that. Okay, so I must be crazy for doing this. But if you purchase that, yes, you're going to get 100% across the entire thing, which basically means if somebody came in and they purchased everything, you would earn over $500 per person. Okay. Yeah, insane. So that's, let me come back here because I just want to show you. VIP Membership Pro does exactly what it says on the tin. Okay. It literally takes you from A to Z on how to create a membership site just like the professionals. So go ahead, click the link in the description, get access to VIP Membership Pro today. Grab access to all those bonuses, and I will see you in the members area in literally just a few clicks. Take care, guys. I'll see you soon. Bye-bye.